To create electronic gradebook categories and items in D2L, we will start from the D2L homepage of the course. From here, I can go up to the navigation bar and click on the tab labeled Grades. Once inside the Grades page, I can go up here to the right-hand side of the page under Settings, and if I click into Settings, I can change things like personal display options. Here you can see there are details like points grade, grade scheme symbol, and grade scheme color. If I'm unsure of what those are, I can click the question mark button and it will give me information about those details. If I go back up to the top of that page, I can click into Organization Unit Display Options. And from here, I also have other options. I did click Points Grade, grade scheme symbol, and color, and so I want the students to view that, so I could click that here and click Save. Back up at the top of the page again, if I look into calculation options, this is where I could do things like have weighted grades, grades according to points. If I go down to the bottom, make all of my choices, I can click Save. I want to go ahead and add some grade category folders. So I'll go back up to the top, the navigation bar, and I'm going to click back into the Grades tab. From the main page here, I'm going to go ahead and add a new category folder. You can see that I already have some. I have week 1, 2, 3, and 4 folders. And within those folders, I have items, already an item labeled discussion grade. I'm going to go ahead and add week 5 folder to this. From here, I can go to the new button, click the down arrow, and from here, I want to click category. This is how I add those folders. From here, I will go ahead and click in and name my folder week 5 and click save and close. Now you can see that week 5 shows up as a folder, and I want to add a week 5 discussion grade. So I will go back up to that new button with the down arrow, click on it, and add an item. I'm going to make this item numeric for the grades having points. Here, I'm going to name that Week 5 Discussion Grade. And just like the other discussions, I'm going to make this 5 points and go ahead and click Save and Close. Now if I want to see this from the student's viewpoint, I can go up to Class List and click into the class list. From here, I can find my demo student, and I'm going to use this student here, the ZZ student demo. Click the down arrow button and say impersonate and click yes. And now I can go into my grades as the student. And you can see that while there aren't any points in here, as a student, I can see that within each of these weeks, there is one item to be graded, and it is the discussion grade for each of those folders. To leave the student view, I'll click up here on this orange button and click the X to get out of the student view, and I'm back to my course homepage again.